Hey, it's Drew here on my way to Best Buy to pick up the new Google Pixel 7a that dropped today via Google I/O. Now at I/O, they spoke a lot about AI, of course, but they dropped a lot of cool new products, including the Pixel 7a that's available today for $499, an increase from previous years of about $50, which is kind of interesting. I'm kind of curious to see how it stacks up to the current Pixel series devices, especially since those are now on sale since they've been out for some time now. But let's go ahead, pick that up. I got the blue color, super excited to see what that looks like in person. But also, in addition to the Pixel 7a, they also dropped the Pixel tablet and the Pixel Fold, both of those available for pre-order now and shipping next month. Definitely subscribe for those products coming soon. Really looking forward to get my hands on both of those. But today is all about the 7a. Let's go pick that up and see what the 7a is all about. All right, so now I'm back in the car. I just picked up the new Google Pixel 7a here in blue. Really looking forward to unboxing that here shortly. It was just kind of funny going into the store today to pick this up because the guy inside was like, "Oh, I didn't even know this came out today." I was like, "Yeah, about an hour ago. It just dropped." So looking forward to unboxing this. Let's jump right in and see what this blue color looks like in person. So again, this is Google's Sky Blue model. Really looking forward to seeing that color. Shout out hashtag Team Pixel right there. Gonna quickly tear off these tabs and just get right to it. So this is that Sky Blue Pixel 7a here in person. It looks excellent. In the box, you'll get the usual stuff. Back to the device though, the phone itself looks absolutely phenomenal. So again, this is the Sky Blue. I wasn't able to get the Coral model. The Coral model looks really nice as well, but that was a Google Store exclusive, and it was not available at Best Buy for pickup. Again, that is a Google Store exclusive color. So the blue color though, outside of the white and black options, I think just looks excellent. In person, it looks so good. Really happy that I went with this model. So while it's booting up real quick, this will be a similar experience to the Pixel 7, I think, and 7 Pro. So I'm really looking to see what the key differences are with this device, especially with that $499 price tag. The fingerprint scanner setup was very smooth, just like on the other Pixel 7 devices, and the actual fingerprint scanner in use right out of the box, as you can see, is working flawlessly. Really no issues there in terms of the fingerprint scanner here in the broad daylight of my vehicle. I also like that there's of course wireless charging on deck here, so I was able to quickly top that off in the car on the way home so I could get it fully set up to my liking. But anyways, here's a few quick photo samples actually that I shot really quick with the Pixel 7a to give you an idea right out of the box what some of the photos look like. There was a camera update as far as the camera app right before I started taking some of these shots. I'll dig a little bit deeper into the cameras of the 7a in comparison to the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro at a later date in my full review, but wanted to give you a few examples now of the camera. So that's been my unboxing of the Google Pixel 7a in blue. Let me know your thoughts, of course, in the comments down below. I really like this new Pixel 7a in blue. It looks really solid. That color in person is definitely one I'd like to see on the next maybe Pixel 8 series. The blue looks really good. But again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below from my unboxing, this video, your thoughts on Google I/O in general. Just really looking forward to that conversation. Looking forward to the Pixel devices next month. Definitely stay tuned, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe.